Did you know that the average American carries over $5,000 in credit card debt? Credit cards can be useful tools, but they can also lead to serious financial trouble if not managed correctly. In this video, we'll reveal the most common mistakes people make with credit cards and how to avoid falling into debt traps. Managing your credit card responsibly is crucial for your financial health. Let's dive into the first mistake: overspending. Overspending is one of the most common mistakes people make with credit cards. The allure of easy credit can lead to impulsive purchases and lifestyle inflation. It's easy to swipe your card for things you don't really need, thinking you can pay it off later. But those small purchases can quickly add up. Imagine this: you go out for coffee, see a sale on clothes, and decide to treat yourself to a nice dinner, all on your credit card. Before you know it, you've racked up hundreds of dollars in charges. This is how many people find themselves in debt. To avoid this trap, it's essential to create a budget and stick to it. Plan your expenses and prioritize needs over wants. Set a spending limit for discretionary purchases and track your expenses to ensure you're staying within your budget. Remember, just because you have a credit limit doesn't mean you should max it out. Next, let's discuss the dangers of carrying a balance on your credit card. Carrying a balance on your credit card from month to month is another major pitfall. When you only make the minimum payment, the remaining balance accrues interest, which can quickly spiral out of control. High interest rates can turn a manageable debt into a financial burden. Consider this: if you have a $1,000 balance on a credit card with an 18% interest rate and only make the minimum payment each month, it could take years to pay off and cost you hundreds in interest. This is how people get trapped in debt. To avoid this, aim to pay off your balance in full each month. If that's not possible, pay as much as you can above the minimum payment. Create a plan to tackle your debt systematically, perhaps by focusing on paying off the card with the highest interest rate first. Now, let's move on to another critical mistake: ignoring interest rates and fees. Many people overlook the impact of interest rates and fees on their credit card debt. High interest rates can make it extremely difficult to pay off your balance, as a significant portion of your payment goes towards interest rather than the principal amount. Additionally, credit cards come with various fees, such as late payment fees, cash advance fees, and annual fees. These fees can add up quickly, further increasing your debt. To manage this, always pay attention to the interest rate when choosing a credit card. Look for cards with lower rates and fewer fees. Avoid cash advances unless absolutely necessary, as they often come with higher interest rates and immediate fees. It's also a good idea to set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid late fees. Paying your bill on time not only saves you money on fees, but also helps maintain a good credit score. Next, let's talk about the consequences of missing payments. Missing credit card payments can have serious repercussions. Not only do you incur late fees, but missed payments also negatively impact your credit score. A lower credit score can affect your ability to get loans, rent an apartment, or even get a job. When you miss a payment, your credit card issuer may also increase your interest rate, making it even harder to pay off your debt. It becomes a vicious cycle that can be difficult to break. To avoid this, set up payment reminders on your phone or enroll in automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. If you're struggling to make a payment, contact your credit card issuer. They may offer options like a temporary interest rate reduction or a payment plan to help you get back on track. Finally, let's discuss the risks of applying for too many credit cards. Having multiple credit cards can seem like a good idea, but it can lead to higher debt and difficulty managing payments. Each time you apply for a new card, it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your credit score. Additionally, the more cards you have, the more tempted you might be to spend beyond your means. Managing multiple due dates and balances can be overwhelming, increasing the risk of missing payments and accumulating debt. It's better to have a few cards that you can manage responsibly than to spread yourself too thin. To manage this, limit the number of credit cards you apply for. Focus on managing your existing cards well, keeping your balances low, and paying off your debts in full each month. If you already have multiple cards, consider consolidating your debt or closing accounts you no longer need. But be cautious, as closing cards can also impact your credit score. By being mindful of these common mistakes and managing your credit cards wisely, you can avoid falling into debt traps. We've covered the most common mistakes people make with credit cards: overspending, carrying a balance, ignoring interest rates and fees, missing payments, and applying for too many cards. By understanding and avoiding these pitfalls, you can manage your credit card responsibly and protect your financial health. Keep in mind, always create and stick to a budget, pay off your balance in full each month, stay aware of interest rates and fees, set up payment reminders, and limit the number of credit cards you have. These practices will help you stay out of debt and build a strong financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can all make smarter financial decisions. Thank you for watching, and take control of your financial future.